Hakas ngikut jong ka dorbar mang tingka kata ka khatlai tarik uluber arja arpusan haswa baka ying dorbar kan ai jing menjur ya ka Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Act Amendment Bill arja arpusan kata tang hadin bala weng ya ka jing dawa jong ka liang persya haba wanra ya ka amendment ban pen kala ya ka bill unong mi khmat ka liang persya na ka seng Voice of the People Party na nongkram uba Ardent mela basayo mo ula pen sngo ha ka ying dorbar ya ka Jingthmu ka Meghalaya Industrial Development Corporation Limited MIDC ban Shim ya ki Jaka jong ki pajba. Habakran halor katay kapang uba Ardent ulaong. Bahaka bayad day baga Jingthmu ka sarkar ban wanra eki kampen roy umdan ka jing persya. Henry ukwa ban penti kena baladalong kubno ru ka Jaka kaday ban sa bat ki pajba. Unong tawaan ka VPP ha ka dorbar ulaong. Bakat ba udangkran ka MIDC ha ka nyaw tarik ulber arja arpusan kala ay ya ka jingpen bana ka bakot ya ka expression of interest ka bakata ka EOL ka MIDC ka wer ya kinu ki try Jaka ki badon ya ki Jaka ki bahe Haduh laispa Akar hari Bhoi district kum ka siang amraj makado na ka benta ban penyeng ya ki karkhana. Ula buru ka jingkli haba ka jingshim Jaka kadang yaj kumno anla ban long hangno ka don kam ya ka MIDC ban shim kat kani ka Jaka Kaei ka Jingthmu. Unong tawaan jong ka VPP haba uong baka seng ka kersya ni ka jingmut jong ka sarkar ban kentewi ka jala ban taw kam taw jam ula pensngo baka long ka badon kam ban yaj husiar ha ka bayaday bat ka Jaka. Hakaway kaliang habakran halor ka Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Act araja arpusaw uba Ardent mela basayo moit ulakran halor ka Section 39 jong katay kaan kababu jingma bat bandawaya ka sarkar baka day ban penkalaya kani.
Sir, as I speak, let me bring to the notice of this August House that the MIDC, Meghalaya Industrial Development Corporation Limited, on the 7th of March 25, has given a notice of inviting for expression of interest. Let me read out this advertisement, sir. MIDC invites expression of interest for acquisition of land in Bhoi district, particularly in Siang, Amraj, Makado areas, measuring 300 acres and above for setting up industrial estate/area. Interested landowners having land at the above mentioned locations may submit copies of land documents extra and also to indicate selling rate on or before the 21st March 2025 up to 2 p.m. to the Office of the Managing Director, MIDC Limited, Kesma Upland Road, Lightmukra. Acquisition of land is taking place. So how is it possible? Where is the need for the MIDC to acquire this much of land? What is the purpose? So therefore, sir, how can you expect that as a responsible member of this August House? We subscribe to the idea of our Chief Minister to develop, to promote the state, to create jobs, but we also need to tread very carefully when it comes to land. We will not only oppose everything that the government is doing. But here is the problem. Because I know why. Most of the members in the Treasury bench, they are praising you. Because they understand that they will not be able to resist the heat of the people. At least I respect them because they understand the sentiment of the people. So we are all here to work for the betterment of the state. And how can you see that you have inserted new clause like where it was not there before in Section 2, autonomous district councils have been added. But when you look at the original act in Section 39, that is a kind of a caveat that the government is included in that act, sir. So, what does it say? Protection of action taken in good faith. No suit or legal proceeding shall lie against the chairman or any members of the governing council or high-powered committee or state investment committee or district investment committee or nodal agency or any employees of such committees in respect of anything which is done or intended to be done in good faith. So how can we presume that whatever they do is in good faith? It is not that simple, sir. for us to presume that whatever this nodal agency is doing is in good faith. So therefore, sir, I feel that in order to keep this apprehension at rest, may I request the Honorable Chief Minister to stop all kind of land acquisition.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata, habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka batau bha. Kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha, ka jing im ba kambha. Pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety, Meghalaya.